How to make money through copy and paste on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money by just copying and pasting on YouTube. And by this I literally mean you will be copying a link and just adding it to your YouTube. We will be creating YouTube shorts and without showing our face. So let's get started. The video is really interesting. Make sure that you watch till the end and you will have an idea how to make money through copy and paste on YouTube. So first what you need to do is simply go to youtube.com. Of course, you know YouTube, you're probably watching this video on YouTube. So YouTube is a video sharing platform and we can make money on YouTube. We know that, right? We can monetize our YouTube channel and we can do vlogging. There are a lot of YouTubers making a fortune on YouTube. They're making millions of dollars, and we also are looking for a way to make money on YouTube. But at the same time, we don't want to show our face, and we don't have that much of idea. We're not that famous. We know that it will take us time to reach there, and we want to make a passive income, which is actually a reliable source and the easiest way to make money. What you guys need to do is today we will be actually focusing on YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is again the same thing. First person to guess. YouTube Shorts is an option that was created by YouTube earlier this year, and we can share short videos on YouTube known as YouTube Short, just like TikTok, how we used to do it, and we can create these short videos. So we will be creating short videos for just like 10 to 15 seconds, but we will be making money with these, but just copy and paste. So where you're gonna copy, let's move on to this part. So what I want you guys to do is simply go to any of the affiliate marketing platform. You can go to warriorplus.com, digistore24.com, clickbank.com, cpagrip.com. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address or you can sign up with your Google account. The signing up process will literally take you 1 minute and you don't have to invest anything, zero investment. You will be creating an account for free. Once you have an account on either of these platforms, Warrior Plus and Digistore24, I personally use Warrior Plus for my products and also Digistore24, CPA Grip 2 for my CPA affiliate marketing. And these platforms help me make thousands of dollars and I can make money with just copy and paste. So what we copy is that, so with our affiliate account, we become an affiliate for a product. And what we need to do is we need to promote that product. We need to get clicks on our product, on our link. And from where we're gonna get the clicks? We're gonna get the clicks from YouTube. We will be creating a YouTube short video and then we will be adding a link in the description. We will be pasting the link, or we can also paste the link right here on the video. So you just need to go to the platform, sign up, then we can choose from hundreds to thousands of products. Keep in mind, you're not forced to choose from products that you don't know about. You can search for niches and you can search for products that you actually know about. For example, you're interested in makeup. You can go for fashion products. There are fitness products. There are different categories available, such as animals and pets, petting system, dance and music, email marketing, education, fashion, food and drinks. We have home and garden, languages, personal development, social media, software, sports, survival, photography, trading products. So you can select from your favorite choice, like whatever products you want to go for. Once you select a product, let's go with, I personally go with fitness and health because that's in my niche. So let's go with this product right here. You can see I will be earning up to 90% of commission. I will be making around about $7 with each click that I get, with each sale that I will be making. And how do we make sales? We simply get clicks on our link and we show people our product. Now we know we need to copy the link. We have a YouTube account and we will be creating YouTube shorts. We have a product, we have the link for our product as well. You can see right here, if I click on promote now, it will give me my own link that I just need to copy. For example, if I go to Warrior Plus and this product right here, it will open up the product for me. And now I can just copy the link from here. I can request it. You will copy the link. There you go. And now we need to post. And now we simply need to upload a YouTube Shorts. For that, we need to create a video. Now my product is, let's say my product is fitness related. What I want you guys to do is go to pexels.com, where I can just go ahead and we can find stock footage. We use this for editing and making videos all the time. So we get free footage from here, videos and photos, and that's what we will be doing. You need to just search for the product. Let's say that your product was fashion related. So you will be making a fashion related video, or maybe a fitness related video. So just search for fitness here. Okay. Once you search for fitness, it will open up the footage for you. And now I can download these images for free and I can make a video out of it. Similarly, I can go to videos here and I can create a video by adding different videos, or I can just select one video. It is free. There is not going to be any copyright or anything. You just need to download a video. There you go. Click on download and it will take just few seconds to download and you're good to go. For example, I can download another like boxing one. Once it's downloaded, then you're fine. Now I want you guys to go to canva.com. Canva.com is, what I want you guys to do is go to canva.com. Canva is an online designing tool that allows us to edit videos and we can create short videos from here. You can use other platforms as well. You can also use TikTok to create videos. If you're good in making TikToks, you can make a video there, add text, whatever. But I personally use Canva. It's really good and it allows us to add text and create short videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for mobile videos from here, and you do that and it takes you to your canvas of mobile videos. So I have opened it up and this is a short video template right here, a mobile video. This is how we create YouTube Shorts. Now, why I'm using Canva, you can see right here, we get a lot of different templates to choose from. And I can create a very attractive short video. Even I can create video here for TikTok. So you can see right here, like we can create short videos with these templates, or I can just simply use this one right here. Go to uploads and upload your video that you just downloaded. So I have uploaded this video from my computer. It's a fitness related video and it's a 10-second video. So it's perfect. And you can see right here, it's just a person boxing. What I can do now is I can go to audio and I can also upload an audio, which is for free. I can add audio in the background. I can also do a voiceover. We can also add different elements if we want to make our video look more attractive. What I do is I actually place the video right here and I leave some of the, space here for my text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text right here, which is going to say, click on link in bio, or link in description, actually, sorry. I'm going to say link in description, and in the background, let's add the text first. So I have added the text link in description. I'm going to change the color, which is going to be red, to make it more appealing. I'm going to go to elements and search for arrow. That's what I personally do, and it's really easy. I'm going to add this arrow. Let's change the... And I'm going to change the color for the arrow as well. Now you can see this is how it looks like. You might have seen a lot of such videos in your YouTube short, page. And you can see now it says link in description. For what? Now I will add some of the text in my video here. And I will just click on the video and I can crop it, edit it, flip it, whatever I want to do. I personally, what I do is I go to elements here. And I can just add the, text here, which says the best fitness app or the best fitness guide. So the best fitness guide is actually my product from here. The product, my affiliate product. Now people will think that I have actually tried this product. I have, of course. We're not going to scam people. This is going to be a good product, and they will check it out and they will click on the link, probably buy it, and I will make a sale and I will be making money by just adding the link. Of course, when I will upload this video, once you download it from Canva, you just download it, and once you download the video from Canva, you will go to YouTube, upload it as a YouTube short, and in the description you will add your link, the link that you copied, paste it right here in your description, upload your YouTube short, make money. And you can also make passive income with this. You can make thousands of hundreds of dollars. Of course, with each sale you will be making hundreds, and you will be able to make money by just copy and pasting using YouTube. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money through copy and paste on YouTube. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.